Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the sounds and vibration. Once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called ringtone. And after you find it, you can tap on it to enter. And here you have the list of ringtones we can select from, or choose from rather. So find the ringtone you like. You can preview them by simply tapping on it. So you can go through this list, look for something you like, and once you find it, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. You can also change the notification sound, so we can tap on notification sounds. We have another list, find the one you like. And then swipe right to go back. And then we can press the home button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.